So when you choose a preset profile or using a predefined profile, there are 8 options, or 9 options actually. We have Class 1 to Class 8 defined in the UK, and these should be applicable wherever you're working in the world. Also, we have a zero demand profile. You may want to put in a zero demand profile for whatever reason. So you can look at these by essentially you choose the one that you want to go for, let's say Class 2. And then you'll see on the left-hand side, you need to put in the monthly demand imported, total import in kilowatt hours for that particular month. So we can just go through here, and I'm just going to put 10,000 kilowatt hours per month. And what you'll see is that as we do this, the demand profile will build up on the right-hand side. The average sort of daily profile in the top chart, and then the monthly use in this bottom chart. So if you want to actually explore the different classes, you can then change from Class 2 to say Class 1, and we can see how that profile changes. We can look at 3 and 4 and 5 and things like this. And what you'll see is actually from 3 or 4 onwards, they're essentially all about your kind of base load versus peak changes. So we choose the relevant class. We've entered all of our energy per month, and then we can save and continue and move on.